I saw that many grassroots people, normal people like we, they were talking and going to school together. There are some that go Palestinian and Israeli in the same school. People speak Arabic and Hebrew, and many Palestinians and here Israelis are doing things together. It's more the governments that are not so friendly. Isn't it that like that? That the people don't want to fight. It's more than the governments are the bad people. Something like that.
Yeah, nobody needs to.
Nobody wants violence.
Yes, loves the war or loves the conflict, but the political situation affects the community. If I hear in my media or in my television that they are bad guys, they are making horrible things, I will make my mind such like if this is Arab or Jewish, it's like a terrorist against each other. So this is the responsibility of the government. Yes, it's playing a big role, but it's affecting the community.
But the community itself is not violent. Oh yes.
No, not all.
But they victimize.
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
Creating conflict, right? That you just stay in one place, right? And then you have to fight two of them inside a remote place. If they really wanted to fight, then do not involve us.
Ah, yeah. Good.
You want to?
Rosa, you're not misunderstood.
You say not misunderstood always.
Always.
It was when down is not misunderstood.
So we should say, who wants to fight? You want to go there, put
Just go there and then go inside a big drum of water and then you fight there inside.
Like in Ramadan before.
Yeah. And do not involve us. You just wanted to sleep and you just wanted to play, to live, peace of mind. Right? You wanted to do it, do it.